Thinking about starting an assisted living facility in New Jersey in 2026? It's a great time. Demand is high, margins can be healthy, and you'll be doing meaningful work. Here's the fast, step-by-step game plan. First, know the types: assisted living residences, comprehensive personal care homes, and assisted living programs in subsidized housing. All follow NJAC 8-36 standards. The market is strong. Nearly 18% of NJ residents are 65 plus, and families want smaller, high-quality settings. Next, your core policies. You'll need documented procedures for admissions, medication management, infection control, staff training, resident rights, and emergency preparedness. For staffing, you must hire or become a certified assisted living administrator. Ensure 24/7 coverage and complete background checks and TB screenings for all staff. Don't forget insurance. You'll need general and professional liability, plus workers' compensation and property coverage. Now, licensing. It's a 4-step process. Step 1. Apply for a certificate of need to justify your facility. Step 2. Submit the full licensure application with your ownership details, floor plans, policies, and financials. Step 3. Pass on-site inspections of your rooms, kitchen, medication systems, and documentation. Step 4 is approval. Post your license, admit residents, and stay ready for annual renewals and follow-up inspections. Need a help? Visit carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, band ready to serve your community with confidence.